Helen with Sephora Collection, and all of these products are under $18. My name is Leslie, and I'm going to tell you about products from Sephora Collection. He snorted at that one. He's a basket case. I'm going to put him back outside. Hey there, everyone. It is Helen with Sephora Collection, and I am here in my home in Los Feliz. I have been actually really enjoying being home a lot. I'm an ambivert, so I love being with my friends and socializing, but I also really love staying at home and getting to know different skincare things. I'm sure, like many of you, I have been online shopping quite a lot because I've been on my phone and all those ads just keep coming up, and I'm always looking for a deal. It's like my favorite thing to tell people how much I got something for, even if you didn't want to know it. I wanted to share with you all of my favorite skincare that I love from Sephora Collection. It's super effective. It's just a really great way to introduce yourself to the brand, and if you haven't tried any of these things, I really recommend that you try them. Let's jump right in. First, I am obsessed with Clean Skin Gel. Since this came out, I don't know why anybody would use anything else to wash their face. I truly feel that way. I use it day and night because it removes makeup really well. It is a toner as well, so it never leaves your skin feeling dry. If you have to wash your face twice just to make sure you have all the makeup off, it's totally fine, and it's safe on the eyes, which I love. And it has beetroot extract in it, which helps to tone the skin. Like, just has amino acids, so it helps to exfoliate like ever so gently. If you haven't tried it, it's $10, which I feel like you can't get any face wash really for $10. This is incredible. So definitely try this. If nothing else, try this. Next up is a cleanser of sorts, but it is our Triple Action Cleansing Water. This has zinc in it, which is super clarifying. It also has aloe, so it doesn't leave your skin feeling tight at all. It's a really great way to just get off an extra layer of makeup if you have a lot of makeup on. If you wear long wear, it's really great for that. I also love to use it as like my refresher, so if I wore my makeup all day and I just want to refresh my complexion and I don't want to mess with my eyes, I will remove my makeup with the Triple Action Cleansing Water. It's super gentle, and then I'll just put on, you know, my moisturizer as I normally would and go back into doing my foundation. It just works really, really well for that. Sometimes I feel like it's just a little much, or I just don't feel like washing my face in the morning, so I'll use the Triple Action Cleansing Water instead. So I love it for that as well. Next up, I feel like everybody always wants an affordable eye cream. I have one for $17. This is our Brightening Eye Cream. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's not only all natural, but it also has caffeine in it. I feel like everybody really needs an eye cream and no one wants to spend a fortune on it. This one's $17, and it hydrates, it depuffs, it brightens. It's kind of a little bit of everything, so I highly recommend. Next up is our Illuminating Hydrator. This just launched, and I have sworn by it every single day since. I love it because it launched just at the right time. It's almost about to be spring and summer, and I feel like I still want to look hydrated and kind of dewy. That's definitely my aesthetic for my makeup. So, and I love to put that on other people, of course, as well. It just looks really fresh and natural, but this one has moringa oil in it, so it helps to really brighten from within. And then it also has like light reflecting pigments to it. So, and it goes well on any skin tone, which is really nice. It's like a light pink, which really warms the skin up, and it looks incredible. It's like a really nice sheen to it, and it goes well under makeup. The reason why I'm so obsessed with this moisturizer though is it's really hydrating, but it's really lightweight. So when you put it on underneath your makeup, it absorbs really quickly. I feel like when you think of illuminating hydrators, you usually think of something that's a little bit heavier in weight because it's supposed to be like illuminating and giving you like a dewy look, but this one, it truly does absorb super quickly, and then it just leaves this really beautiful sheen behind. I really love this product. I hope it becomes a cult favorite. I'm sure you have already heard about this product from Jeffree. These are our Glycolic peel pads. They're super gentle. It's glycolic derived from sugarcane. You can do them before makeup and they won't leave your skin looking red and irritated. I feel like we're all getting a lot of of sleep lately, which is amazing, but your skin regenerates at night. So this is an incredible product to use right after you get all that sleep. You can exfoliate any dead skin cells, which is really nice. It helps to smooth the skin. It has marine algae peptides, which help to tighten pores. And it just makes it so you don't really have to wear any makeup on any of your, video conferencing or your chats when you see your friends. So it's just a really good product to help to smooth the skin. This product I want to talk about is our Overnight Glow Mask. This product is incredible. It has glycolic acid in it, derived from sugar again, so super gentle. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, so your skin is going to not only be exfoliated, but super plump in the morning. What I love about this product is it has this jelly texture to it, which feels really nice and cooling on the skin. It absorbs enough so that when you go to lay down on your pillow, you don't feel sticky. So I just really love it. It's great for when you wake up in the morning. Your skin will feel just like butter. It's amazing. Right now we have our spring savings event going on, so be sure to check that out and let me know in the comments below what you want to try. Be sure to try something new. It's a great time to incorporate new skincare into your routine. Thank you all so much for joining. I have to go feed the cat, so I will see y'all later. Bye.